Hi, Sugar Loves. We're putting together a Team Jessa for the hair removal category in the skin games. And several of you have reached out to me. We have 2 players we're sponsoring so far, and we have 3 more spaces available. So if you want to be one of our players, there are maybe 2 or 3 of you that I've been talking about sponsoring that we haven't finalized yet, but there's only 40 spaces available in the skin games in the hair removal category. So if we don't finalize our team and get you registered soon, we might not be able to do the competition. So hurry up and reach out to me, whether you comment on social media. Probably the best place is private messaging me on Facebook. Or, if you message me on one of my posts, I will try to give you a way to chat with me privately. Okay, let's make some winners. I'm also honored I'm going to be a judge this year. I'm not sure which category, but since we are sponsoring players in the hair removal category, it will be a skincare category, I'm sure. Thank you, Jennifer and the Skin Games team. We'll see you there.